Make money by Facebook fan page profits. A Facebook fan page is a page on the Facebook platform that is dedicated to a particular topic, brand, or person. These pages are designed to generate interest and engage with a specific audience, with the aim of building a community of followers who are passionate about the content being shared. One of the key benefits of a Facebook fan page is the ability to generate profits through various means. These can include advertising, sponsored posts, merchandise sales, and affiliate marketing. Advertising is one of the most popular ways to generate profits on a Facebook fan page. Facebook offers a range of advertising options that can be targeted to specific demographics and interests, making it an effective way to reach a large audience. This can include both traditional display ads and sponsored posts, which can appear in users' news feeds. Sponsored posts are a type of advertising where a brand pays to have their content promoted on a fan page. This can include a video, image, or text post that is designed to promote a particular product or service. The brand pays a fee to the fan page owner for this promotion, which can be a flat fee or based on the number of clicks or views generated. Merchandise sales are another way to generate profits on a Facebook fan page. This can include selling physical products such as t-shirts, hats, or other branded merchandise. Alternatively, digital products such as ebooks or online courses can also be sold on a fan page. Affiliate marketing is a way of earning commissions by promoting other people's products or services. This can be done through links or banners on a fan page, which direct users to the product's website. If a user makes a purchase through that link, the fan page owner earns a commission on the sale. In addition to these direct revenue streams, Facebook fan pages can also be used to build brand recognition and drive traffic to a website or blog. By providing valuable content and engaging with followers, a fan page can help establish a brand as an authority in its niche. This can lead to increased traffic and sales on a brand's website. To be successful with a Facebook fan page, it's important to focus on building a strong community of engaged followers. This can be achieved by providing regular updates, responding to comments and messages, and creating content that is relevant and engaging to the target audience. Overall, a Facebook fan page can be a profitable venture for brands and individuals looking to build an online presence. By leveraging the various revenue streams available and building a strong community of followers, it's possible to generate significant profits and establish a strong brand presence in a particular niche.